Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this basically pin or a lever you can pull to release the strap. And how it works is basically quite simple. You just pull on this pin or the lever, and once you pull on it you will be able to remove the strap. So we can just, it's a bit hard to reach, but if you pull on it with your fingernail or something like that, you'll be able to release the strap. Like as you can see, I'm struggling a bit. Let me try to use something else, maybe this. Pull on it, and then you will be able to take it out, the strap. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, when you pull on this lever or pin, it detects this pin, which is usually embedded in the watch, right here in the hole on the watch. So once you release it, you'll be able to pull out the strap. Let's do the same for the second one. Come on. Okay, like this. And here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get new straps and you want to put them back on, it's quite simple. You simply grab your watch, you grab your strap, you put the pin farther away from the lever into a hole on the watch right here. And once you insert it, you need to pull on the pin, realign it with the hole on the other side, and release it. It's gonna click in and it's gonna hold the strap. And do the same for the second one. So insert into a hole like this, pull on the lever, realign, release, and it's gonna hold. And here we have it. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.